In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate a video from portrait to landscape. In my demo video, it won't make much sense to do so, but I'll show you how you can do it nevertheless. So what you need to do is import your clip into Premiere Pro, and once you've got it imported, you then need to go to Sequence, go to Sequence Settings, and this is all at the top on the top bar, and then you'll see the video frame size, and what you essentially need to do is flip these two numbers around. So right now we are in vertical format, which is going to be 9:16, which is 1080 by 1920. All we need to do is switch these numbers around. So 1080 for me is going to go on the right and 1920 is going to go on the left. So we're essentially flipping it from vertical to landscape format. We can then click OK and OK again. Now what's going to happen now is our frame size will be now landscape, but we now need to change the clip to match the frame size. So click on your clip, then head over to Effect Controls. And if you don't have this, by the way, maybe try clicking on the arrows. If it's not here, you can go Window, or you can then go Effect Controls, and then it should appear. Now what we need to do is change the scale and position. So you can then click on the scale and you can bring this obviously down or up, and then with the position you can move it. We are going to need also the rotation as well, so you can rotate it whichever way you want. I'm just going to rotate it so it's minus 90 degrees, and then what we can do, we can bring this scale up until it fills out the whole frame. Obviously make sure that you're getting this exact. For me the clip's not that important, so I can just kind of make it a little bit bigger, and there you go. You've essentially turned your video from portrait to landscape, and all you need to do now is export it. So I hope that was useful and did help you out.